Hello everyone, happy Independence Day to all of you. Today's video is a small tribute from me to our national flag by making three colored dishes. And for this video, I decided to make three easy regional dishes with poppy seeds, posto or khaskhas. So let's start. First of all, take poppy seeds or posto, soak it for 10 to 15 minutes and make a paste with adding little water and green chilies. Now take 3 large tomatoes and chop in small pieces. Take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add half teaspoon pachforan and 1 green chili. Allow them to splatter for few seconds and add chopped tomatoes. After saute the tomatoes for few minutes, add little salt and fry for another 2 minutes. Now add some water to boil them perfectly. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now smash the boiled tomatoes to make a smooth curry. Now add half teaspoon sugar or little more to balance the saltiness. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of poppy paste or posto bata and mix it well. Add some chopped coriander leaves, mix it and serve with steamed rice. You can also use it as a tomato khaskhas chutney and enjoy it with parathas. My second recipe is peyaj posto. And to make this, heat 3 tablespoons of oil and add nigella seeds, black cumin seeds or kalo jeera. Now add 2 green chilies and chopped onions. Here I took 3 large size onions. Now fry them on medium flame until they becomes golden brown in color. Whenever you make this recipe and also lauki khaskhas or lao posto recipes, add little more poppy paste than other posto recipes. So now add 7 to 8 tablespoons of poppy paste and fry on low flame along with those fried onions. When it becomes dry, add a little salt in it. Now fry for a while to make it more dry. Now it is ready to serve with steamed rice or rotis. By the way, you can also eat this with puffed rice or muri. My next recipe is झींगे पोस्तो और तोरई और खसखस की सब्जी. Take 3 large size rich gourd, तोरई और झींगे. Peel and chop them into small pieces. Chop 1 large size potato into smaller cubes. Now take a deep pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and temper half teaspoon pachforan and 1 green chili. Now fry chopped potatoes for a few minutes. Now pour rich gourd, झींगे और तोरई into the pan and stir fry again for few minutes. When it becomes little soft, add half teaspoon salt or as per taste. Cover the lid for 5 or some more minutes and allow it to cook in its own water. But if needed, you can also add some water in it and then leave it to boil. When the veggies are perfectly boiled, add poppy paste or posto bata in it. But remember one thing, we don't need it as a curry. So if there is any extra water, please dry it first and then mix the paste. And similarly, if it has become too much dry, add little water to it to avoid the paste stuck into the pan. After mixing, don't cook it for a long time, otherwise the paste will be splattered. Now enjoy it with steamed rice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave your feedback into the comment section.